Hi, it's Nastya. Today I'm going to show you how to make juicy inside and crispy outside vegetable galette with ricotta cheese. This recipe is amazing and I'm sure you will love it too. First of all, we need to make a puff pastry. I usually make the dough in the evening and bake it in the morning for our breakfast, lunch or even dinner. We need to cut the cold butter into small squares and set aside. Then you need to sift wheat flour and whole grain flour into a medium bowl. Add chopped cold butter and start mixing lightly with your hands or cooking spatula. Don't forget to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Place the dough to the table and add cold water in portions. Try to do everything quickly using a cooking spatula or scraper to prevent the butter from melting from your warm hands. Roll out and fold the dough 3 or 4 times to make a puff pastry. If the dough starts to stick, add some flour on top. After folding, you can see the layers of the dough and that's all we need. Let the dough relax for 20 minutes in the freezer and then in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours, or overnight, it will be even better. While the dough is in the fridge, we need 1 zucchini, 1 eggplant and 1 tomato. Rinse them and cut into thin slices. Sprinkle the table with flour, remove the dough from the refrigerator and roll it out to 2 mm thick. After rolling, I use a large plate to make a round form and then there will be perfectly formed galette. Place the dough to baking paper and set aside. Drain the ricotta cheese, add some salt and your favorite dried herbs. I added dried basil. Place the ricotta filling and vegetables on the dough any way as you like. It won't affect to your amazing taste of the dish. Bend the edges to the center, making small pinches, and press the sides of the galette. Don't forget to sprinkle with salt all vegetables. Brush egg wash lightly over the dough of galette. Bake it 45 minutes until golden brown. After 15 minutes of baking, brush the vegetables with some olive oil and then send them to bake. Delicious, tender and juicy galette with ricotta cheese and vegetables is ready. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Bon appétit!